everybody. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new reaction video. This is Camille Reacts and More here. I decided to just jump on here, guys, and record the last few that I had for today. Um, because I wanted to get it out of the way. And I'm sorry, guys, I do have all your requests still done. I just haven't had the time to really get into there and edit them really. They've all been reacted to already and recorded and everything like that, but it's just I haven't completed everything. And I wanted to start that before I started uploading again, because once I start uploading again, I know I'm going to have a lot of requests, and I just wanted to start, have all the back ones that I've completed, get those out the way and stuff like that. So sorry about that. I've been lagging on that, guys, and I am going to just get in straight into the video that I'm about to do. This is going to be one of our favorite little bits, guys. This is Aurora, and she's going to be singing Winterbird. I think this is the official video for this, so I can't wait to get into it, and I'm going to do just that. So let's get go.
Walking in my sleep, like the naked trees. Will they wake up again? Do they sleep? Do they dream? Feel it as the wind strokes my skin. I am moved by the chill. Hear the winter birds sing. My tears are always frozen. I can't see the air I breathe. Now my fingers painting pictures on the glass in front of me. Lay me by the frozen river where the boats have passed me by. All I need is to remember how it was to feel alive. Silent days, violet shades. We are dancing again in a dream by the lake. My tears are always frozen. I can't see the air I breathe. Now my fingers painting pictures on the glass in front of me. Lay me by the frozen river where the boats have passed me by. All I need is to remember how it was to feel alive. Pressed against my pillow like the aging winter sun. Only wake each morning to remember that you're gone. So I drift away again to winter I belong. I need to remember how it was to feel alive.
I love this as I loved all of her other songs. Like I said before, my previous video with her, I've in all my videos, she has a very haunting vocal, but I really like that a lot because I love the beat of this song a lot more than I normally do. Um, it's a lot more upbeat, but it still takes to her haunting tone though. That girl cannot shy away from a tone that's like really haunting whenever she sings. It doesn't matter what she sings. But I really love this performance as I always do with Aurora, guys. She is definitely different, definitely a great singer in her own right. I love her tone. Um, however haunting it may be, it doesn't matter to me. Loved it. And with that being said, I'm going to get on out of this video, everyone. But remember to like, subscribe, comment down below what you like to see on an upcoming video. Don't forget to click the notification bell and to visit me anytime, guys, on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Love you all. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support, everyone. Remember to stay blessed. Till next time. Bye, everybody.